I do not know whether Medea lives or is dead.
Open! Open the door! Open, open, open! Help me to break the bolt! Go! Go! Go, find help!
Night bird, overcome by misfortune, beats at my door. Can this be that great adventurer, the famous lord of the seas and delight of women, the heir of rich Corinth, this crying drunkard on the dark doorstep? Yet you've not had enough. You've come to drink the last bitter drops. I'll pour them for you.
What is that stain on your hand?
The wine I was pouring for you spilled on my hand. Dear were the little grapes that were crushed to make it. Dear were the vineyards.
I came to kill you, Medea. Like a caught beast, like a crawling viper. Give me my sons, that I may save them from Creon's men. I'll go quietly away.
They're sleeping. Perhaps I will let you live with them. You cannot have them. But the hour is late. You ought to go home to that high-born bride. The night has fallen. Surely she longs for you. Surely her flesh is not crusted black, nor her mouth a horror. She's very young, but surely she will be fruitful. Your sword, you want Beatrice? No, not that step, the next door.
I'll kill you first. Then I'll find my sons.
Be careful, Jason. You see these two fire snakes that guard this door, one on each side, here and here, two serpents. Their throats are swollen with poison, their eyes are burning coals, and their tongues are fire. They are coiled, ready to strike. If you come near them, they'll make you put mayonnaise. But stand there very quietly. I'll let you look at your sons. Open the doors, that he may see them.
I know it before I saw it. I knew. No wild beast would have done it.
I have done it because I loathed you more than I loved them.
I should have killed you the day I saw you.
I drew my own heart and laughed. I was tearing yours.
Will you laugh when I
I would
strangle
still
you?
laugh. I would still be joyful to know that every bone of your life is broken. You are left hopeless, friendless, makeless, childless, avoided by gods and men, unclean with awful excess of grief, childless.
It does not matter now who lives or who dies.
Go down to your ship, Argo, and weep beside it. That rotting hulk on the harbour beach, drawn dry as strand, never to be launched again. Even the weeds and barnacles on the warped keel are dead and stink. That's your last companion, and only hope. For some time, one of the rotting timbers will fall on your head and kill you. Meanwhile, sit there, remembering the infinite evil and the good that you made evil.
Give me my boys. The little pitiful violated bodies, that I may bury them in some kind place.
You would betray even the little bodies, coin them for silver, sell them for power, no.
Let me touch their dear flesh. Let me touch their hair.
No. They are mine. They are going with me. The chariot is at the gate. You had love and betrayed it. Now of all men you are utterly the most miserable. As I, of women. But I, a woman, a foreigner, alone against you and the might of Corinth, have met you throat for throat, evil for evil, grief for grief. I go forth under the cold, clear eyes of heaven, those weakness-despising stars.